You talked about the effectiveness and making sure that your advertising is doing what you want it to do. It's my understanding, especially with digital marketing these days, that measuring the effectiveness can be somewhat difficult. What are the ways that you can gauge whether or not the message that you're putting out there is having the intended effect?
See, it's always you have to monitor your conversion rate, and you have to have the calculation of your ROI. So when you are so what's your click per cost, right? What is your CPC, right? How many people it is reached? It's not about impression. It's about how much people actually really called you. How many people literally filled the form? What was the conversion after that? And if you really want to go more detail into it, we really need to thinking about marketing intelligence. And there are a lot of big tools are coming out in the market. And I effectively use this because it's all about data. And if you look at the Google Analytics, it gives you a lot of data. You can read where all your travelers are going. Like if somebody comes to your website, how they are traveling, which content they are going. There are a lot of scenario we can create through the A/B testing. Google Optimizer for the free tool, but other than that, there are a lot of paid tools are also available. So you have to create all that marketing intelligence, gather the data, analyze it, create a matrix, and know your number. You need to know your magic numbers. Which one is actually performing and which one is not performing, and why it is not performing. And then you have to actually optimize. Sometimes if I take my own photograph and I create two versions of myself, you must have noticed some angle actually looks more appealing to the audience than the other one. Right? So how can you create even if you are creating one image, how can you find the appeal to the audience, and how can you do the A/B testing? You cannot create one ad and expect to give you the ad outcome. You have to create multiple ads, and then you have to test the market and whatever is performing the best, and you know your matrix, you know your magic number, and you will be able to pick and choose.